Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. On December 14, 2020, Indian Navy were very happy to see the launch of the advanced Project 17A class stealth frigate, which is INS Himgiri at Garden Reach Shipbuilders and Engineers. The INS Himgiri is the first of three Project 17A advanced stealth warships that the armed forces have contracted the GRSE to build. As per the defense and news sources, the Project 17A stealth frigate INS Himgiri was launched at the GRSE facility in Kolkata in the presence of Chief of Defence Staff General Bipin Rawat. As mentioned in one of my earlier videos, a total of 7 such advanced stealth frigates have been planned, and 4 of them will be developed by the state-owned Mazakon Dock Limited in Mumbai, while the other 3 are to be built by GRSE in Kolkata. During the time when Indian Navy is celebrating the launch of INS Himgiri, it would be good to quickly see the vital information about this Nilgiri class frigate to better understand the same. INS Himgiri was made using indigenously manufactured steel, which is something very good news for future such ship developments. These Project 17A frigates are powered by two GE LM2500 marine gas turbines and two diesel engines in a combined diesel or gas turbine configuration. The point to note here is that the LM2500 gas turbines are being assembled in India by the industrial and marine gas turbine. Coming to the general characteristics of these frigates, the length of these frigates stands at 149 meters, beam at 17.8 meters, and draft at 5.22 meters. The speed is estimated to be around 52 km per hour. Coming to the sensors and electronic warfare details, the sensors and warfares which is installed on these frigates are manufactured by BEL, like the BEL Hamsa-NG bow sonar and BEL Ajanta electronic warfare system. These Nilgiri class frigates will have improved stealth when compared to Shivalik class frigates. The crew complement will be reduced from existing 257 to about 150 by using high levels of automation, which is estimated to cut both the operational costs by around 20% and in turn which results in higher operational availability. In addition to having improved stealth, these frigates will have ELM 2248 multifunction surveillance track and guidance radar. These radars employ the multi-beam and pulse Doppler techniques as well as the robust electronic countermeasures techniques to extract the low radar cross-section targets from complex clutter and jamming environments. These frigates are equipped with Kavach decoy launchers, which is an anti-missile system to distract the radar-guided missiles from the targets, and it also acts as a system for self-defense. The weapon systems will be flush deck mounted, allowing vertical launch of missiles from under the deck. Coming to the armaments, these Project 17A frigates will be armed with Barak 8 and BrahMos surface-to-air and supersonic cruise missiles to defend against any type of airborne threats, which includes aircrafts, helicopters, anti-ship missiles, and UAVs. Not only this, it also includes ballistic missiles, other cruise missiles, and combat jets. These ships have base system 5-inch 62 caliber Mk-45 naval gun, the AK-630 fully automatic naval close-in weapon system, and RBU-6000 anti-submarine rocket launchers are the other weapons which is fitted with these frigates. Coming to aircraft and helicopters which can be carried on these frigates, these stealth ships can carry two HAL Dhruv or Sea King Mk-42B helicopters. The point to note here is that the Project 17A ships are the first gas turbine propulsion and largest combat platforms ever built at Garden Reach Shipbuilders and Engineers, and they have scaled up the yard along with infrastructure and skill sets to meet these new challenges in building the Project 17A ships. Over the years, Garden Reach Shipbuilders and Engineers have emerged as a leading shipyard, building over 100 ships. As per GRSE, it looks like INS Himgiri has been targeted to be delivered by August 2023 tentatively, and the other two ships by 2024 and 2025 respectively. So let us hope these shipbuilding companies finish off building all the planned 7 stealth frigates as per the plan and help in boosting Indian Navy's power. Thanks for watching. I'll upload another video with a new defense update or an aviation update later. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it. And also feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.